guys ready to have some fun? Because I sure am. It is time to bring Christmas cheer to the family room in traditional red and green. We're gonna add Christmas pillows and throw blankets. I'm bringing in a piece of furniture from a different room. We're adding lamps, garland. We're gonna decorate the coffee table and an end table. And after that, I have two big shout outs at the end of the video you don't wanna miss. Just before I get into the video, thank you all for your lovely prayers and wonderful sweet comments. If any of you wonder about the power of prayer, it works. It works because I am feeling like a whole new person today. Got a little spring in my step and I'm ready to have some fun. So thank you for all of your prayers, your well thoughts and wishes. It really helped. You want to get a glimpse of what I'm going with in the family room? Plaid, green velvet, and joy pillows. We all need a little joy. Please excuse the mess in the background. I just threw all the pillows there. We're gonna fine tune it, but I thought we would start with the coffee table. We are gonna go in with this rug that I'm saying is gonna mimic snow. By the way, I found that at Ross and it was very inexpensive. Now I'm gonna go in with this big, awesome looking gold tray. It almost looks vintage. I also got this at Ross. It was $19.99. What a steal of a deal. And we're gonna put that in the center. I got these two beautiful gold trees at Ross. $11.99 for this. It's gorgeous. And this one was also $11.99. And we're gonna do a grouping. This is a gold glittery candle from Ross. And then we're adding a cute wreath. More on this later. And now I'm going in with these two black reindeer from Ross. So I think that turned out really cute. This is not something I would normally do. I've never decorated with a rug on a coffee table, but I thought, why not? Okay, so right here I've got two matching chairs. To the chairs, I'm gonna go in with these two adorable plaid blankets. Watch how I dress these boring chairs up. So there's one, and all I did was throw it over the back and bring it down with the fringe hanging at the bottom. that. So under my coffee table, I'm going in with this book stand with the Christmas Carol. And I'm just gonna leave it open where it says the Christmas Carol. Okay, so now also under the coffee table, I'm going in with this bowl full of cinnamon pine cones. And so when we're watching a Christmas movie, we'll pick up a slight scent of cinnamon. These truly smell like Christmas, and I got these at Michael's. And this is a very simple way to decorate for winter using pine cones and things from nature. I have this end table right here, and what am I adding to it? A Christmas arrangement. You guys may remember I made this with eucalyptus, olive branches, and berries. And I'm gonna set this here to add that festive Christmas touch. I'm going in with this really cool tray from Home Centric, $16.99. It's awesome, and it sort of matches the tray on my coffee table. They're very much alike. So I'm just gonna add that to the top to kind of tie the gold pieces in. Okay, you can see right there, I just moved that furniture piece in from a different room. Let's get the sofa looking extra festive, and then we'll add in the finishing touches. Do y'all remember this piece that I found on Amazon? I love it. I absolutely love it. I thought it's too beautiful to be in that room that's really not being used. So I'm bringing it back. Let me push it into place. You all know the drill. Let there be light. In other words, let's add lamps. See, everything's better with light. Let's add a garland now. And those green candles are awesome because they come with a remote, so you can turn them on and off. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me piece my family room together for Christmas. Now on to my big shout out. This shout out is for a very special birthday girl who is having a birthday November 16th, this Thursday. And this special lady, her name is Raechel Burke. So Raechel, happy birthday, friend. I hope you enjoy your special, special day. And I'm sending you big hugs and love all the way from West Virginia. Mwah. All right, my next shout out is for Linda with New England Fine Living. Linda, I love you. I love your channel. I love everything you share. You give us unique, classy, elegant ideas through the seasons. You are by far one of my all-time favorites, and I hope you know that. One thing I love about Linda is she is not your average cookie cutter YouTube creator. She does things differently. She thinks out of the box, and she brings so much to the community. She offered a fall in a box. She has an online store with fabulous products, but she did a fall in the box for her subscribers, and she offered so many for a limited time only. And so on a specific day, you would go and try to get your box, and there was a lot of anticipation and hype with the fall box. Then she offered a Christmas in a box. You can bet your bottom dollar I ran to my laptop, and she told me I was literally the last person. She sold out in 3 minutes. Everybody wants her box. And so I was so happy to get one. And I told her, I said, I might do an unboxing. And I did receive my box. But the more I thought about it, I thought, she has a lot of subscribers, and I know some of her subscribers are my subscribers. So I didn't want to ruin the surprise for anybody who was anticipating that Christmas in a box. And so I will just say I shared 2 items from the box. I didn't say which ones they are, but there were a lot more wonderful goodies in the box. So this is just a shout out to her. You guys go check out her channel. She's amazing. I love her. I know you will too. Check her out. And I will link her in the description box below. All right, friends, I have got a fabulous video for you coming up that's sponsored. I am so excited about this one, like so excited. I cannot wait to share it with you. And I think that's coming up this week. So, all right, guys, I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye, guys.